Good morning students, welcome to your Montessori maths class. Dear kids, today we will write backward counting from 20 to 1 with colors. Let's write the backward counting 20 to 1. Let's start right here 20. Right here 20. 20. Now take another color. 19. Now take another color. 18. 17. 16. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And here's the last number 1. It's a backward counting from 20 to 1. Kids, let's read with me. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Students, it's a backward counting from 20 to 1. Now kids, it's your turn to read and write backward counting from 20 to 1 on your maths copy with different colors. Allah Hafiz.